The new look of the MyPCC area is certainly fresh and clean. I'd like to draw your attention to something that you'll find on the Faculty tab. It's a new area called Course Leader Activity. Here you'll be able to set up the types of things you would like to be notified of for the particular classes that you're teaching. Let me show you how. First off, we can select just the current terms so we can narrow down our search to find current classes. We can do this by selecting only the current term, and you can see here that it really narrows our search. In order to be able to be notified of what's going on within the class, we can establish criteria under the Edit, which is the square up here with the pencil on it. Here we have two columns. We can select which classes we want to have visible within our activity area. This class is really not important, so I'm not going to have that be visible. It's important to note here that by turning this class off, it is simply limiting the visibility within the Course Leader Activity area. It has nothing to do with the controls that you have within My Courses to make the class accessible to students or not. Over here we can select the types of information that we want to be notified of if there's been activity since the last time we were in. And if we are having students submit files, of course we'd want to be notified of that. And I'm personally not using messages, so I will leave that unchecked. So now I can save changes and then click Done. And as you can see, I only have the two classes that I'm working on, and in the center column under Applications, I am being notified that in the first class, one student has submitted a photo. The number in the parentheses will indicate to you how many students have submitted. A point of interest on this page would be the chat column. By default, it is on this Course Leader Activity page, and whether you're using it or not, it will be either active or inactive, but it cannot be removed. The other applications will be listed here under the Applications column. To go in and see the activity, you can simply click on the title of the class, go in under Content Tools so you'll be able to see the photos, activate and work with them there. So we can return to the Faculty tab. And another avenue in which to get to your classes would be to use under Tools the My Courses link, or more conveniently located would be the My Courses page. And this will bring you to the page that we are used to prior to this release, and then we can go into our classes and maneuver them that way. Now, being aware of the possibilities here, I certainly hope you'll find that it'll be helpful to you.